Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, your teacher, your friend. So in today's video, I'll be providing you a composition on my memorable outing. So let's get started. One summer, my family and I went on a super cool trip to Missouri, a really pretty place in the mountains. I was so excited to explore this magical place. So this paragraph is the introduction of the essay. And now we begin with the second one. First, we walked down a busy street called Mall Road. There were lots of shops and yummy food smells. We had a great time looking at colorful things and eating tasty treats. Next, we went to Camel's Back Road. It was a path with amazing views of big mountains and pretty landscapes. The air was so nice and cool, making the walk really enjoyable. We also visited Campty Falls, a place with water falling down big rocks. It was like a giant waterfall playground. So this is the next paragraph, as the body of the essay or composition is divided into two paragraphs. So this is the second one. So let's start. The most exciting part was the cable car ride to Gun Hill. We went up high above the trees and the view was incredible. It felt like we were flying. In the evenings, Missouri turned into a magical place. The sky turned orange and pink, and the town lights sparkled like stars. It was like being in a fairy tale every night. So, this is the conclusion of the composition. Leaving Missouri was a bit sad, but I had so many special memories to take home. Missouri wasn't just a place, it was a memorable outing that I'll always remember with a big smile. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much.